Good morning, everyone. You are welcome in AI with Rao, and let's make AI simple. In this fifth video, we are going to touch the real magic, and that is the first model, linear regression. This is your first real algorithm. What are the topic we are going to cover? I have already written there. First, linear regression actually does what, that we are going to learn. Then the formula and what is best fit mean. And the last one is you train your model by yourself just in 5 lines of code. So let's begin. The first, as we know, in simple one line, what is linear regression? So linear regression draws the best straight line through your data. What you need to remember? Best straight line through your data. And why? Then use that line to predict the number. If you remember two things, you can see my hand right now. Yes, two things. First, that it draw the best straight line through your data, and the second is to predict the number. Whenever in real life, if you get an situation that you need to find the number, first thing should come in your head is linear regression. As simple as that. Now, as we always discuss like this story, because this is how we connect with the real world, right? The story is, if you go and ask to any property dealer who is in Mumbai that what is the price of 1200 square feet flat, they can tell you within second. You have heard this. It's not about Mumbai. Anywhere, ask price to say this much square feet to any property dealer, they will instantly tell you. How? Because they have unknowingly or knowingly develop a model inside the brain that follow exact behavior like linear regression. Okay, they have drawn that, okay, bigger the size, costlier the price, costlier the flat. If they might have done intuitively, right? They are not doing mathematical calculation. What we are going to do, exact this behavior we are going to replicate, and we are going to do the same thing with machine, and that is called machine learning. You got the point? You got the intuition? Now let's start with the real magic. This is the diagram you might have seen even in your class 6. Yes, just the parameters are different. There you find 1, 2, 4, 5, and here the real price. And this is what the real price of, I have taken a simple example where in y-axis we have price, and in the x-axis we have house size in square feet. So this is what, say if 30 lakh, then 500, and similarly this. What I have done is this one. The actual house price is this orange dot, and the best fit line model, what is the best line that we can draw connecting most of these dots or points, is this blue line. Okay, so you can see right now I have taken this example, and you remember one thing just I mentioned you in the beginning as well. Whenever a number comes in the prediction that you need to find the house price, next month sale, okay, temperature tomorrow, student marks, the first thing that should come in your head is linear regression model. As simple as that. Number, linear regression. Now let's jump to the next, the real mathematical formula, as this also you have seen that even in your class 6, 9, this is called, what is called, this is like simple straight line, what is called a straight line, simple straight line. So where, what is y? You can see right now, let me zoom it. Y is what we predict. What we are predicting here? We are predicting the house price. What is m? M is the slope, how steep or this line is, okay. And what is x? X is the input. And what is c? C is the starting point, right? As simple as that. It's very simple. Now you will ask why I am just showing you this formula. The reason is the work of a machine learning is like training. Machine learning means the training we do on our model. The real job is to find the best fit of this m and c. M is what? Slope, and c is what? Starting point. The training means we will find the best possible combination of slope and starting point. Okay, and again I will not reiterate. Y is what the price we predict, m is the slope, x is the input, the size in this example, size of flat, and c is the starting point. Starting point means you make this in your head that it's the base price where the size is equal to 0. Now as I mentioned you, what is this training? So training a linear regression model, the machine search for the best m and c, the hug your data so closely as possible. The twist of the sentence and word, the whole magic, just find two number. And now what is the best line? This is something, if you understand, you really understand that what we do in training and what the real problem is. Now you see this. Again, this is the output and this is the input, a generic one. And again same orange dot, this is the actual real price of the flat. Now you tell me, how can you say that what is the error? Yes, you guess it right. These lines, this is the ideal line that is passing. This is our assumption, and this is the actual price, and this gap is the error. And this is present almost in each and every dot. You can see right now here also, in second, in third, in fourth, you can see everywhere. The combination of all these small error 1, error 2, error 3, error 4 is called total error. And what is the objective of any model? To reduce that error as much as possible. This is what we do, any model. So you can see the statement, there are infinite line you can draw, and it's true, you can draw infinite line between these, right? The best one is the line where total distance from the point to the line is the smallest. The gap is an error. Add up all the error, the best line has the least. And now this is the power word that you need to remember is minimize the total error. Is the idea, is the seed of all machine learning. How can you minimize the total error? That is the whole purpose. Every model, even the ChatGPT, it's just minimizing your error. Linear regression, where you can see it in the purest form. You can see right now, as simple as that, simple line. Now you got the purpose. And at the end, I have promised you we are going to train this linear regression in 5 lines. What I have done, so I have imported this linear regression from a library, and x is the input and y is the output. Input is what? The size of flat in square feet, and y is what? The price in lakhs. Now I took this linear model dot fit. Let's training begin, and print is what? Just print what is the value. Model dot predict. If the size is 1200 square feet, what is the price? And it has predicted say 48 lakhs. And I want to know what is the purpose? To find the best possible combination of slope and starting point m and c. These are called coefficient and intercept in core mathematical concept. So we find, and we are here. Now we have found. As simple as that. Within 5 lines you trained your model. How cool it is. Now come to the recap, a 20 seconds recap. What we learned so far, so that you will always keep in your head, is linear regression predicts number by drawing the best possible straight line. It predicts the number, as simple. Second, the line y equal to mx plus c training is just finding the best slope and starting point m and c. The best line is the one with the smallest total error. And the fourth one, minimizing the error, is the core idea behind all machine learning. And the last 5 line of training, a real one model. Okay, a real model. Next, we will learn about logistic regression. If you are in the video till now, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.